Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the 6-string minor bar chord. 6-string minor bar chord. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Now, this is what the 6-string minor bar chord looks like. And this is what it sounds like. In this scenario, I'm going to play the G minor 6-string bar chord. So I'm going to go up on the 6th string, 3rd fret, and I'm going to have G as my root note. And what I'll do is I use my index finger and place over the whole entire 3rd fret on all 6 strings. Then I'll take my ring finger and I play the 5th string, 5th fret. Then I'll take my pinky finger and play on the 4th string, 5th fret. And then for the index finger, your 6th string and your 1st, 2nd, and 3rd strings, the index finger will play those. So basically the form will kind of be like this. Like I mentioned, for a G minor 6-string bar chord, I'll find my root note, which is a G, on the 3rd fret, 6th string. I'll bar all 6 strings. Then I'll take my ring finger and place it on the 5th fret, 5th string. I'll place my pinky finger on the 5th fret, 5th string, and I'll just play it like that. And not only strum, you gotta strum it to make sure it sounds good, but you're gonna want to play those notes individually too. Memorize your 6-string root notes from at least 1 to maybe the 1st to the 12th fret. You just play that bar chord, whatever the root note said, you can play that bar chord over. For example, I can take here on the 6th string, 1st fret is an F. I can place that bar chord over there, and that's my F minor. I can go up to my 3rd fret, 6th string, that G, place that bar chord over there, and that's my G minor. I can go to the 5th fret, 6th string, over that A, place the bar chord there, and it's an A minor. A. So again, that's your 6-string minor bar chord. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.